Welcome back, everyone. My name is Abhishek. I'm your host and speaker of the day, and welcome to the virtual class about Excel. So we are already in middle of the way of completing the Excel, but again, we did discuss last topic very well. Now the topic of the day is conditional formatting. Yes, I'm going to introduce the conditional formatting. We are going to do more experiment in that. If we want to highlight a particular column in a cell, or let's say a particular value, then definitely the conditional formatting will be the great option for that. So without taking a long time of yours, I'm directly taking you to the slide of the presentation. Well, we will talk a little bit more about conditional formatting. There we go. So when I say visualizing insight, so conditional formatting topic, it's all about highlighting based on the rules. So there are certain rules, and on that behalf, we are using color scales, or let's say data bars and icon formulas and duplicates. And with the help of these things, definitely we are going to understand the practical experiences about conditional formatting. So let's go and do a few more experiments. So now, yeah, you can see my Excel sheet. Okay, we are going to do more experiment over here. And before I tell you about anything else with the conditional formatting, let me tell you that, for an example, your boss or your seniors, they are asking you to highlight a particular amount or highlight a particular column. Let's say if they want to see top 10 like sales, or let's say if they want to see any particular MRP which is greater than or less than a particular amount, you easily can highlight it through conditional formatting. So let's go and yeah, deeper dive into this. So you can see that, all right, it's already highlighted with something. You can see this is outlet sales column. So I do have a mini data set where I can show you the entire grocery related the things. And so we have a column by the name of item outlet sales. Now the question got the top 10 figure from outlet sales. My boss said, okay, show me the top 10 figures. So I know that I can apply the filter and sort it from A to Z, or let's say the nominal amount is there. If I want to go for the another one largest to small, I can pick it from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and all. But I will not suggest you this way to do it because that is sort and filter. When I say conditional formatting, look at this. I will go to home screen. In that you will get conditional formatting, go top and bottom rules. Yes, top and bottom rules. There are predefined rules over here. So pick the top 10 items. Now, the thing is you will have to select the entire column first. Okay. Then we will go here, top and bottom rules, top 10 items. Now you can choose top 10, top 5, whatever it is like according to your requirements. There will be some, options available. So fill it with green dark text, or let's say fill it with the yellow. So look at this. If I'm choosing this, or let's say if I'm choosing this, I can highlight those numbers. Or if you want to make your own custom, you can go to custom format. You can choose the fill option. You can choose, let's say, black or something. Font should be, let's say, bold italic, or color should be green. And trust me, it's gonna look bit different. Look at this. So as I said, custom. So custom can be anything. Right now, if I don't want to go like that, then I can choose the yellow and I can click on OK. It will only highlight all top 10 numbers which are leading in top 10. So I hope you saw that and I hope you did like it. Also, you can highlight the bottom 5 or bottom 10 something. So let's go. I'm going for top and bottom rules again. I'm choosing the bottom 10 items. There, let's say I want to highlight the bottom 5. So the red color will be the good one option over here because I'm choosing all 5 numbers which are leading from the bottom. I hope you saw that. For an example, your boss is asking you, key, so you're picking the top, MRP column, and after that they are asking you to highlight only those numbers which is greater than 100 or $150. Let's say I'm going to conditional formatting again. The first option, highlight sales rules. So what all options are there? Greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date function, a duplicate value. So I am going to pick the greater than, as I said, greater than $150. Choose the color, as I said, or fill it with some other color, red text or anything. You want to make it bold or something, red border, or let's say again, I'm going for any other color. So I'm picking this one. So it will only highlight those numbers which are greater than 150 as per the rule. And yeah, if you want to check that do we have any duplicate items, again, you can go to conditional formatting. You can go to highlight sales rules. Can you see that option, duplicate values? All right, so I'm picking here all these items are duplicate values, but what I can see that there are few names, almost 5 to 6 names, those are not coming as red because these are not duplicated values. If these are not duplicated values, then what exactly these are? So yes, opposite of duplicate is just unique. So yes, we can pick unique from here. We can give a different color, and we also can find the unique value from the entire data set, or let's say from the entire column like this. I hope you understood that. Okay, and there are many more thing we do have over here. Like if I just want to check that do we have hard ring over here, we can go to conditional formatting and I can just go there text that contents. For an example, I'm looking for hard ring. Oh, we do have that hard ring over here. So if you're looking for frozen food, imagine if you have a bigger data set then. So you can find those, you can highlight those, or there are many more things we can discuss about the data bars, color scale, and icon sets. But let me go for a few more experiment about it. Just give me a sec. Yeah, so let me show you a few more example over here, like how I can show you utilization of conditional formatting. So for an example, let me show you that. So for an example, I created a column by the name of countries and the ratings. Imagine they are in Olympic, or let's say they are doing a hotel survey or something. So let's say India got 5-star rating and Canada got somewhere 4, or let's say UK got almost 3, and then we can talk about USA as well and Pakistan. Let's talk about the two. If we are getting something, just all right. Yeah, so you can see there are 5 numbers, and if we talk about the rating, so I did mention some of the numbers, but can we use these numbers as 5-star, or let's say 5 signals and something like that? So for that, yes, we can go to conditional formatting. We can go for, let's say, icon sets. If I'm going to icon sets, there are some symbols or icons, we can say directional or shapes, or we can say indicators, or let's say ratings. When I was talking about some ratings, so we can choose one of these, let's say stars. So wherever we have 5 numbers, we are coming star with the yellow color filled up, and then we have 4, then we have 3, then we have 4 again, and then we have 2. For an example, if I'm giving 5-star to any other country, so look at this. Other one is something like that. Let's say if it is 1, then it is something empty cell. So yeah, it follows the number, and accordingly it will give you some different icons. Can we try other icons? For sure, we can go for icon sets, and we can use traffic light as well. So the higher number is coming as green, the lowest number is coming as um, red. So for an example, again, US is something where we have 3. So it will be yellow because that will be a continue form. It can be up, it can be down, so something like that. So do we have any other color which we can use? So we will go in icon sets. You can utilize any arrow, or let's say if it is all about Wi-Fi signal or something, we can utilize that. And now we can see 5-star coming is complete 5 signals, and we can say this 4, then 3, then 2. Sorry, again 5 and then 2. So it works in that way. Or what else we have? For an example, if I am utilizing the same number for the color scale, then how we can use it. So I'll go to conditional formatting again. I'm going for the data bars. So there are 2 options. One is gradient field. Second one is solid field. If I'm going for solid field, that will be easy to watch. So yeah, I can see the highest number as coming as the full bar with the same green color. The lowest number, for an example, if it is 1, so it is almost this number. If it is 2, then it is this number. So you can see there is a line now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And can we use instead of this, can we use color scale? Yes, we can try. So it depends that what color scale you would like to use. Yeah. So let's go. If we are going there, I'm choosing this option. The first one is yellow, green, yellow, red. So the green will be for highest, yellow will be for the medium, red will be the lowest. So if I'm choosing this for an example and I'm making it 2 and making that 1, look at this. So look, you can see the color differences because it is again color map. So the highest number is coming as green, the lowest number is coming as um, the lowest one is coming as dark red. If I'm choosing this one, if I'm choosing any other color for an example, I'm going for this color or this color. So you can see the difference in between because I did set those number as what we call it, like in ascending order. So it is showing you the differences like this. So same thing we can apply here. If we are using the color map, we can try the color map here, color scale. It will show you the same thing again, the way it is. Or we can go for, let's say, a data bar. So we can choose that, as I said, gradient or the solid fill. That's up to you. Highest number is coming as full fill up with the green color. The lowest number is in front of you. So we can get the analysis in this manner. It will, like, very easily we can get an idea where is the lowest number, where is the highest number, and all of this. So yeah, that's it for now, and we can talk more about it. I mean, you want to make some like new rule, definitely you can utilize that. You can go for some new rules, and there are many more things with the conditional formatting. If you get any question about this topic, definitely you can leave your question as a comment, and we'll try our best to reply you back with the suitable answers. And yeah, all sorted. So okay, so in next class we will be learning about tables. Okay, so table in the sense how to create a table. If we have raw data, if we do have rough data, so we will be talking about it, how to build this, and what are the other benefits after creating the table, what else we can do with the table, can we give a name to table, how, where I can utilize it, and many more. So I would say till that time, I mean, bye bye, take care, and let's meet again. Your host, your speaker, we're talking to you, we're giving you the training, I was giving you the training, and my name is Abhishek. Till the next class, bye bye and take care. Bye.